In this video, I'm unboxing and taking a look at this AUKEY touch control LED lamp, so stay tuned. Hi everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I am taking a look at this AUKEY touch control LED lamp, and I'd like to thank AUKEY for sending this over to the channel as part of their Team Techie program, where I get the chance to review some of their new products as they're coming out and give my honest review and take a look at them. And in this review, we're just gonna do a quick unboxing of this and do a test and just kind of take a look at what you get in this device. So again, as I have shown in some past videos, AUKEY has kind of like a minimalistic packaging where it looks like just recycled cardboard, that sort of thing. And you know, they have here Go Green with AUKEY, right? So they are doing their part in reducing waste by using recycled boxes. And I will say that this got a little bit damaged in shipping. It was inside of a bigger box, but I don't know how this got kind of smashed up. So I doubt that it affects the actual product, but we shall see. So I'll open this up. Now, if you don't know, AUKEY does have quite a few different types of household lamps and LED lights as part of some of their home accessories and that sort of thing. And I'm going to possibly use this in either my room or my daughter's room as kind of like a bed lamp or a night light sort of situation. And if you look at it, I mean, looks like just kind of a light. You know, it's like a white cylinder, frosted white cylinder. It's a fairly heavy base. Kind of keep it from sliding around. There's a little bit of a rubber. If I take this plastic off, it has a rubber kind of foot there, as you can see. Kind of keep it from sliding around, which is nice. Get a little bit of a user manual. Now, this isn't too complicated because basically it's just a touch light, right? So you'll touch it and it'll turn on and turn different brightnesses. There's 20 LEDs inside. Has a power consumption of 6 watts. Made out of mostly ABS plastic. And it has a color temperature of 3000 Kelvin. So it'll be a little bit on the warm side. Yeah, so just basic instructions there. Get your AUKEY sticker, 24-month product warranty. And then you have the power adapter, which is just kind of a barrel adapter, you know, pin sort of setup. Common in all kinds of products. And we will plug this in real quick. And you get a fairly lengthy cord. It looks about 4.5 feet or so. And as you can see, it does have the ability to kind of run the cord out the back. So when you plug it in, it's not sticking around or anything like that. So it will sit flat. So as you can see, I don't know what the best way to do this is, because I'll have to turn off the lights and you can see. So this is basically the minimum brightness, and then if you hold your finger, it just get brighter and brighter until there's a little indicator at the bottom that kind of flashes when it hits max brightness. And if you touch it again, it will dim and go to the minimum brightness, and you'll also see a little thing. So let me turn these lights off real quick, and hopefully this will, yeah, there you go. So that's a little bit better. So this again is at the minimum brightness. and then that is at the maximum brightness. So depending on what you're going to use this for, if it's a tableside, bedside lamp, you have pretty good flexibility in how bright you want the actual light to be. So if you're reading at night or you just want something on just to kind of keep a little bit of light in the room, you can have some pretty much infinite adjustments between the minimum and the maximum. So I mean, as soon as you touch it, you can start to brighten it. And then once you hit the max brightness, then you can go back down. So, and then turn it off with just one tap, turn it on, it comes back on. I believe this has like a memory, so if you have it like this brightness, and then you tap it, turn it off, tap it, turn it on, it goes back to the same brightness. So that's nice. There's a little bit of memory there. Yeah, so I don't know what more there is to say about this, other than it's a really nice lamp. It has a nice soft light. I like the variableness of the LED brightness, right? So I don't know what more to say about this. It's a very nice lamp with the chrome accents on the top and the bottom. So it should look nice in pretty much any decor. Just with the light back on. There you go. I'll link to this in the description below if you want to check it out on Amazon. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks again for watching. This is Andrew from T is for Tech, and I'll see you next time.